Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from an old wash and go to a fresh twist out. Now, my hair was still a little wet, so it didn't come out how I wanted it to, but I feel like it's still cute. It looks like a defined wash and go. If you're interested in this video, make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching, and do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show you how I go from this crazy hair to this. So first I am going to start with my separated puffs, and I'm going to pre-poo my hair just so it's easier for me to wash my hair. So I'm going to take down one side of my puff and just spray with, I've just got a bottle of hot water and conditioner, and I got some oil in here too. And then I'm also going to be using my Aussie Moist conditioner just to pre-poo. All right, guys, so as you can see right here, it may not look like it, but I am gently separating my hair, sectioning off the back part first. You want to make sure you're very careful with this so you're not breaking your hair. Then I am just going to grab that water bottle that I mentioned earlier and just saturate my hair thoroughly so I can further detangle it. I'm also gently pulling on my hair to just remove that dead hair so I'm not confusing it with breakage. And then I am going in with my conditioner just to get it soft and manageable to detangle. And then right here, I'm getting more into the roots because that is where it is mostly matted. And again, just gently separating my hair so I'm not breaking my hair. So I'm just going to repeat this process all over my head. I'm not going to talk during this entire video, but again, just saturating my hair and applying that conditioner. And I'm sorry, but I'm a little bit under the weather with this whole weather changing into fall, so my voice is a little raspy. So once I've completed my pre-poo process, oh, it's a tongue twister, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and deep condition my hair. So as you can see here, I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. And I'm just going to gently towel dry and part my hair where I want it to be parted and go ahead and start my twist out process. So I just part down the middle and then I part down the sides. And I can't really explain this process, but I am just going to show you a detailed video on how I do my flat twist. Alright y'all, thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. Make sure you go and hit that like and subscribe button if you didn't at the beginning of this video, and you have a blessed day.